ready. Nearly ready. Okay, I'm just gonna run this under some water. Yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready to raise some hell? Take this way. Okay, so this is what we did on Friday. Ready? So, dude, look at that. Oh my God. Cad should be proud of me. Look at that. Looks so dope. What do you guys think? That's awesome. Thanks. I was thinking like pouring like cream over it. The funny thing is that your brain doesn't look like this. Did I hear you saying that you're making chicken bao? Yeah, girl. Yeah. I know you're a boy, but yeah. Yeah, man. Doesn't sound as good. Yes, we are making bao, chicken. Easy, simple bao. Easiest bao ever. Yeah, guys and gals. Guys, gals, and non-binary pals. We're gonna grab some Kewpie and some cream. Chicken bow wow. Ready? What do you think of this? Wait. We're supposed to spread more. Good or bad? Hold on. I thought that it would didn't work how I wanted it to work. I thought it would show the indentations a bit more. Give it some, texture. Did I ruin it? My money don't shake, eat wobbles. Now everyone name the parts of the brain. Go back to, yes, look at that. Tastes good. Tastes like cream and jelly. Okay. Medulla oblongata, because it sounds cool. Is that why you remember it? I know. One of the amazing things about today's stream is that you've cooked all of these chicken dishes and yet no Chester cameo. They came in for like 2 seconds, but they obviously didn't pop up. Amazing. So, going back to this. Oh, it feels so fun to like play with. What do you think? No, it's because Lake Oblongata is in Psychonauts. Okay. So when I was a kid, I used to have tonsillitis.